And while vaccinations are going up, health officials say COVID-19 testing is down. 3 News Now reporter Alyssa Curtis tells us how many tests have been administered and why doctors say it's still important to get tested.
There has been a decline in testing for COVID-19 in Douglas County since a late November, early December peak. According to the health department, almost 14,000 people were tested the week of November 21st. This past week, just under 4,000 people were tested.
Our case counts have been going down. So part of it could be fewer people are sick and seeking testing, but part of it could be that people are just tired of being tested.
Health officials say the downward trend could be due to a number of reasons. One being less infections. But while less spread is a good trend, Dr. Mark Rupp says we still need to know who's infected.
I think that undoubtedly if we had a larger percentage of the population getting tested, we would see more cases because, the sneaky thing about this infection is that in some people it can be asymptomatic.
Officials say vaccinations are good news, but we're not in the clear just yet. The more transmissible COVID variants could cause another peak in cases.
So we have got to buy ourselves just a little bit more time as we get the vaccine rolled out. So people need to test if they're sick or they've had exposure. They need to continue to wear a mask. They need to continue to physical distance. All these things are an important part of how we finally get this pandemic behind us.
Officials say to those who are getting COVID fatigue, this won't last forever. Reporting in Omaha, Alyssa Curtis, 3 News Now.
If you are experiencing COVID symptoms or have had possible exposure, you can sign up for a test at testnebraska.com.